I'm gonna give you a love tour. How I started with the pigeons and how I'm doing now with my husband together. I'm Jannie and I'm 69 years old and I'm married with Rickelt, my husband, for 50 years already. And I'm started with the pigeons by my husband. He had pigeons before we married, and after we married we moved to a house. There was already a loft, so we could start within a few years, and we did that.
Do you sometimes argue about the pigeons?
No, almost not. We don't argue. We discuss with each other how we do the pigeons and how we give them the feed and how we let them fly. I can show you within a few minutes how we let them out of the loft. These are the pigeons of the short distance, almost. They are silent now because they are a bit scared from me. They think, is she telling now?
They don't understand English?
No, they only understand Dutch, I think.
Can you tell us something about this loft?
This loft is whole built by my husband. He built all the lofts for himself. He made this all for himself. He made everything for himself. These things he made for himself, and he thought out all of it, how it must be, and by looking by other fanciers, and we think he has it now on the right size, right loft, right air. In the summer we are putting the light on during the day, so we make the day longer, and then the pigeons are coming in form. They are feeling happy. Happy to come a little bit closer, please. These are the baskets. My husband made this for himself because he's a carpenter. Always been. He made this for the pigeons, put them in, bring them to the club, and when they are thirsty we can hang this on it and they can drink by it. You see? Nee. And we have also this one. That's another one. This we did not made for ourselves. We buy this on a beurs. Ik weet niet hoe je dat zegt. Here you can hang them on this one too. So here are going the pigeons in when we bring them to the club building for the races. And after that they go in big baskets from the club, from the pigeons, from the district, and they bring them to the place where they are flying the race from. These pigeons are waiting to go fly, so I let them out. Hij is bang voor die draad. Kom maar, kom maar, kom maar. Ik ben helemaal verslag. Weet je dat? They're a bit scared because they don't know the woman who's behind me. So they are flying now. Now we're going to the next loft. This is also a loft for the pigeons. They are going out to fly now too. Maar dan moet jij hier gewoon stand there, please. And I put this out of me. Now, you see, they are going out very quickly. That's a good sign. I learned that if they want to fly, they really like it to go fly. So looks training basket for the pigeons. This is a normal one. Then we have another one that we made for ourselves. They are a bit higher. It's fine for pigeons, so they can come out on the sides. You put them in the bath, and put the sides closed, and then you close the basket if the pigeons are all in it. My husband made this for himself, and if they are in the basket, you can hang drinking things on it, so they can drink in the baskets. So they know also when they are in the car, with a big car, with all the pigeons, they know how to drink. Therefore we make this on that way, so you can see. There are the feeding bags. And here is hanging one. Here we get the feed. And then after the feeding we hang it here so it stays clean during the day.